beautiful weekend in store for Northern California. Chief Meteorologist Nic Merianos live from DOCO. You got the sleeves rolled up, sun's coming down. Beautiful way to kick stuff off there.
That comes by, so if you get a little hot in the sun, it cools you off a little bit. But I have to say, the energy right now is picking up big time here in the city, and thankfully the weather is cooperating quite well. We've been very lucky this year with sporting events, I have to say, when it comes to those games and sporting events and big celebrations here in the city. And if you look at the satellite, we don't have any clouds nearby, so that means that this evening the weather is going to be just fine all the way through. In fact, it's going to be setting the stage for a really nice weekend. But I want to show you what's off to the northwest. I know we have to kind of talk about some actual weather, unfortunately, right, going into early next week. Well, there's a storm system. That's the one I want to bring your attention to for Monday night into Tuesday. That could bring some snow across parts of the higher elevations. But first things first, this evening, for those heading out downtown, you can expect mild weather all the way through 7 o'clock. By 9 o'clock after sunset, clear skies, but temperatures start to cool down. We're down about 60 degrees. We will have a chilly start to the day tomorrow, but either way, we're having with plenty of all the sunshine out there. If you're heading out, maybe celebrating before the game kicks off at 5:30, more sunshine and temperatures into the upper 60s by 1 o'clock, and then I think we're looking at highs in the city in the low to mid 70s. Arguably, we have better weather than we have in the Bay Area too, in more than one way, right? With the Bay Area, temperatures running into the upper 50s, low 60s, a bit breezy, but here in the valley, nice, and then up in the Sierra, holding on to the mid 50s. All right, let's get you going for the afternoon hours tomorrow with the game time forecast as the Kings versus the Warriors at 5:30, 72 degrees with lots of sunshine, and that will continue into the weekend. Meanwhile, if you're up in the Sierra and hitting the slopes, also can't really complain about the weather either. Temperatures lower 50s through Sunday, but then by Monday we start looking at a pattern change because that's when the next storm system starts to make its approach here to Northern California. So as we get through, say, Monday night into Tuesday, you can see the snow starts developing across the higher elevations of the Sierra, mainly above 5,000 feet. But it'll be enough that we may see some snow accumulation as we get into the Tuesday's time frame. So that will lead to some winter driving conditions up by dawn or past those higher elevations, and may have upwards of 6 to 12 inches of snowfall. All right, here's your forecast for the week ahead. This is for the valley. Great weather too. We have just a few showers in the forecast here and there on Tuesday. Not everybody will see them, so again, it's not going to be a washout by any means, but a lot cooler temperature-wise going in throughout much of next week. Guys?
Nick, was that a little dig at the Bay Area weather? Is that how meteorologists talk trash?
It sure was. A little subtle. I mean, 75 and sunshine. Come on. Can't go wrong with that. No.
Nick, thank you.